The other day I was working on a tutorial when I do run into this message. Website blocked from automatically printing. Interesting. When I do select allow, this prompt the printer options screen where I could notice was no AirPrinter found and another video tutorial born. The issue is that my printer is part of my home LAN, so my Windows 10 PC can't find it. So for the Mac iOS device to play in harmony, an extra small step must be taken. For this part of the tutorial, I will assume that you know your printer IP address in your network. If not, go to the configuration menu, set for communications, and one of those lines should be the IP address. Now, with that IP address in hand, open your favorite web browser, and in the search bar type in that IP address and hit enter. That will bring you straight into the printing device setup page. And you're going to type in that IP address. When you open that IP address, you're going to want to type the IP address, hit enter. You're going to be on the printer web page or on your printer setting web page. Then from there you have many options depending on the printer, going to be all different. In this case we're going to use AirPrint setup. This is what we're working on. You access this page. Well, big question. This is what we're creating the video for. Bonjour service name, bonjour location. About the word bonjour. Bonjour provides a general method to discover services on a local area network. The software is widely used throughout macOS and allows users to set up a network without any configuration. Since we're doing AirPrinter, that's why Epson decided to use the terminology bonjour for these settings. I run the settings as follows. Well, the service name obviously, so I use this is you can change this whatever you like, office printer, printer thin, or ink printer, whatever. I just use a printer serial number. The location is nothing else than where the printer is located. This is, you can use your IP address, the printer IP address, or you can just give it a name since the printer is already set up on your network. You already do all that on your printer. So in this case, I'm gonna use a name. I'm gonna hit OK. It's actually to look down through your settings again, and you just hit OK, and your printer is already set up. So let's see if we can print something up. Telling you that the settings are being updated. Restarting communication may take a few minutes. Very important. Give it a few minutes on everything come back to place. So now, for now, we're gonna exit the utility. Now that the 5-minute wait time has been passed, you see we can see the printer. So hit print, get the notification, you just hit allow. We're gonna select the printer, WF2650, that's my printer. Here, now you have identified number of copies. So obviously gonna be one copy, options here. So we just gonna do black and white. The range, we're gonna change it to 1. There, double-sided, thing like that. We're not gonna use double-sided, we're gonna use single-sided, but we're just gonna do one page and white. So when we hit print, it's preparing. It's give a notification that the printer is loading ink, send notification here, and this our document has been printed. Hit OK here, and here it is. Our document has been printed in black and white as he's asked to do. In any case, this is all I have for you all today. If you have any questions or comments about this, put them below. If you like this video and like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, have a good day.